Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sehat, salam sejahtera semua. Kembali lagi ya teman-teman di channelnya Mas Andi 91. Kali ini kita akan melihat Ndaut. Kalau bahasa Jawanya tuh Ndaut, kalau bahasa Indonesianya tuh mengambil benih padi. Nah, ini proses pengambilan benih padi. Nah, itu dilakukan oleh Pak Punuk dan teman-temannya. Nah, ini uniknya ini pantatnya takut basah. Ini dikasih ember sama kursi ya, ini teman-teman. Nah, ini caranya mengambil benih padi. Nah, itu embernya biar pantatnya enggak basah ya teman-teman. Nah, kali ini proses pengambilannya. Nanti ada juga cara mengikat benih padi. Nah, trik-triknya ada caranya semua. Ini saya lagi di Balingtan, Balai Penelitian Lingkungan Pertanian di Kecamatan Jaken, Kabupaten Pati, Provinsi Jawa Tengah. Yang baru menemukan channel ini jangan lupa di like, komen, dan subscribe ya. Terima kasih.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. As you fade away. tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Ya bayar, orang bayar.
Taruh bayar, rupanya tidak bayar. Nggak tahu nih tidak. Kon bayar betul nusa. Niti. Geleng lanang ini kan ada satu. Ronald, masih nak corona masih ada kita guru, masih ada orang pejangan. Pada ya boleh, makan tidak apa nak boleh. Kasih bayar nanti ada gunakan ataupun bayar kantor.
Ngadeg. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kembali lagi ya teman-teman di channelnya Mas Andi 91. Kali ini kita akan ngevlog tanaman Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kembali lagi di channelnya Mas Andi 91. Jangan lupa di like, komen,